How to change edge panel position on Samsung. So if you're using the Samsung Galaxy phone and then you have this edge panel turned on your Samsung, now you want to change the edge panel position, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. You can change the edge panel position from left to right. So I'm going to show you how to do this. All you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app of your Samsung. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on display. Once you select the display, you want to scroll down the page and to get to edge panel. So first, you want to make sure that the edge panel is turned on. Like you can see here is enabled. Then click on edge panels. Once you selected that, scroll down the page and then locate undo. Click on undo. Here, locate position. Click on that. Then you can see you have left and right in the position page. If you click on left, then you're going to see the position switch to left. Then you can also adjust the edge panel to move it to whatever you want in the position you choose. You see that? Then once you're done choosing the position for your edge panel, you can now hit the back button. So here, let's go for left, and then that is it. So that is basically how you can easily change your edge panel position on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.